Namaste. Happy International Day of Yoga and Happy World Music Day. Today we are celebrating International Day of Yoga as well as Music Day. First of all, if we see, yoga is an integral part of our life. We normally see in pranayama, people are asked to take deep breaths. Since we take birth, we have been taking breaths, right? So it is so natural that yoga is integrated with our life. Breathing is very essential for our life and simultaneously yoga. So many people complain that I don't find time to do yoga or pranayama or meditation. But if you observe 24 by 7 we are breathing, means we are doing yoga. So don't worry, uh, just try to enhance the quality of meditation or yoga, whatever you are doing throughout the day, right? And if you see, try to integrate yoga or meditation with the music, that enhances the quality and the output of your meditation. If you observe uh, an infant, he naturally performs all the postures of yoga. That also signifies the importance of yoga for our life. So, our body is built to do certain yoga postures by default, but we perform those when we are infants and later on we don't continue. And after falling prey to several diseases, again we go for doing yoga. So, finally, it is uh, not for roga basically. Yoga is not for roga only, it is the raga of life, right? So that is how we can integrate our yoga life with music also to enhance better results. So on this occasion of International Yoga Day, I wish you all the best and let us all have a happy healthy society with yoga, meditation, and pranayama, which are integrated in our life daily. Thank you.